power went out right now for 7 days. Could you feed your family? No power, no grocery stores, no delivery. Suddenly, your pantry is the only thing that matters. Not snacks, not random cans, real meals. 3 a day for a family of 5. Because most Americans only have about 3 days of food in their house. And that's if everyone eats tiny little portions and nobody panics. But here's the good news. For less than $130 total, I can show you how to feed your family of 5 3 full meals a day for 7 straight days. No fridge, no power, and no stress. That's a tiny investment for knowing your kids will eat well, even when things go sideways. We've all seen it. Power outages, storms, heaven forbid, another pandemic, empty shelves. Those long grocery store lines where everybody is mad and nobody has any eggs. I don't believe in living scared. I believe in being ready. I really don't believe emergency food has to taste gross. That's why I built a system that works for normal life and emergencies. I'm MJ from loadedpotato.org. I hate cooking, but I'm good at it. I hate meal planning, but I love math. And I really hate panic, but love to be prepared. So I made Loaded Potato to do the thinking for you. All my meals are straight from the pantry. No slicing, no dicing, no thawing. You pick your meals. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. For however many people and however many days. And the site does all the math. Food, water, spices, everything. Then you add it straight to your Walmart or Amazon Fresh cart. Done. So let me show you exactly what 7 days could look like. And yes, every one of these can be made with no electricity on a gas stove. Day 1. Breakfast, strawberry oatmeal. Just boiling water, oats, and jam. Lunch, peanut butter and jelly and popcorn. Stovetop popcorn, baby. Dinner, chili mac. It's cheesy and delicious. Just boil water. Warm, filling, comfort food. Day 2, no power. Breakfast, French toast, using bread and powdered eggs. Lunch, pasta salad. Boil the noodles and dump all the flavors in. Dinner, pineapple teriyaki. It's better than takeout, trust me. Feels fancy, still pantry only. Day 3 of no power. It's getting kind of awkward, but the food's not. Breakfast, pancakes. Just water and a gas stove. Lunch, cranberry chicken salad over rice. Canned chicken for the win. Dinner, beef stew over mashed potatoes. All from the can. Just heat on the gas stove. Day 4 of no power. Breakfast, strawberry waffles. Use your stovetop waffle maker. Lunch, barbecue chicken sandwiches. Bottled barbecue sauce and canned protein. Let's go. Dinner, chicken noodle soup. Boil the noodles, heat the soup. Cozy, familiar, zero panic. Day 5. Breakfast, cinnamon oatmeal. Just boil the water, add cinnamon. Lunch, taco bowls. All you need to do is boil the water to cook the rice. All the ingredients are canned. Dinner, meaty spaghetti. Boil the noodles, heat the sauce. Delicious. Because spaghetti fixes just about everything. Day 6, with no power. Breakfast, raspberry crepes. We're getting a little fancy, just need a hot stove. Lunch, macaroni. It's from a box, just needs boiling water. And dinner, sausage jambalaya. Boil the water for the rice and all the flavors are shelf stable. This is when people forget it's emergency food. It's that delicious. Day 7, 1 full week without power. Breakfast, strawberry oatmeal. Again, because it's just so delicious, and why not? Lunch, tuna salad and a pickle. Bread and canned meat, delicious. Dinner, chicken rotini. Boil the noodles, the rest is all in the pantry. Power's back on tomorrow morning. You did it. All of this works with no electricity, a gas stove, and a stovetop oven. No fridge needed. No fancy tools except a can opener. Just food that makes sense. For less than $130, you get peace of mind, you get full bellies, you get calm instead of chaos. If you want the exact link to everything you need to feed your family for 7 days this exact meal plan, message me survival to get a ready-to-go shopping list that links direct to your Amazon Fresh or Walmart cart. Then, when the power goes out, kids don't ask about grade failure. They ask one thing, what's for dinner? And there's nothing better than being able to say, I've got it. And you do with loadedpotato.org.